Hello and welcome to Dan's Beginning Harmonica Lessons. I'm Dan Grummett, and we're going to start on lesson 1 today. And I know that with the illustrations and the explanations, everything should be fairly explanatory on how to hold your harmonica, how to get the proper embouchure. That's the shape of your mouth to get those single notes that you need to be able to play it. But I want to go to the end of the chapter, the last page. I show it as page 6. And we have here, we go over the tabs, and we're going to do the tabs. And I give you the tabs for your first scale, okay, which is a C major scale. And we're going to do the C major scale in the middle section of the harmonica from the 4 blow to the 7 blow. That's your middle octave, because there's 8 notes in the scale. There's actually 7 different notes, but we start on the C and we end on a higher C. So we repeat the bottom note, or the tonic, as it's, if you want to know the technical words. We're going to repeat that at the top. So that makes it a 8-note scale, or a octave. So let's remember how to hold a harmonica. One thing I'll say is, when you do grab your harmonica, be sure to leave some room on this plate, the silver plate on the top, and there's another one on the bottom. Okay, this silver plate, your lips are, eventually you're going to want your lips to go over these plates. Your top lip over the top plate, your lower lip over the lower plate. Just a little bit. Okay, I know we start off kind of with this pucker, where you're doing this kind of O with your lips and kind of almost kissing the harmonica. But that's only a beginning. That's just to kind of help you get the single notes. And slowly you want to start gradually placing the harmonica deeper into your mouth, but not too deep. And that's what we call the lip pursing technique. And that's one of the popular techniques used by harmonica players. The other is the lip blocking, which we'll also talk about in the book as well. So let's go over our scale. Let's grip the harmonica. Place your right hand, if you're right-handed, or your left hand if you're left-handed. It's just going to go over it, and this is where you're going to get your effects. Okay, and let's find our 4 blow. And the thing to remember on the scale is it starts off with a blow-draw pattern on the 4 to the 6 holes. So it's 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 5 draw, 6 blow, 6 draw, right? But when you get to the 7, it's going to reverse. And we're going to draw again on the 7, and then we're going to end by blowing on the 7 blow. Okay, so let's find our 4 hole, and let's do this scale nice and slow. Did you get that draw, that double draw, the 6 draw going to the 7 draw? And that's where people get confused. They want to keep that blow, draw, but we got to make sure we reverse that on the 7 hole. And let's try this again a little bit faster. Again. So take your time to get to where you can do it fairly quickly, fairly fast, so you get used to getting up and down that scale. Okay, and we're going to do more scale stuff later. This is just kind of getting you familiar with this middle section of the harmonica. So that's it for lesson 1. Read through the book, and next video will be on lesson 2. We will see you then.